Playing one of my favorite machines here at High Winds. We'll see, start out pretty good. We'll see if it can stay with it. There's a red screen. Let's go to a max bet for a few spins, see if it does any good. Nope, let's go back to the 9. That's 40 hit, not too bad. $80. There's a red screen. And another red screen. And there are 70 out of it. Let's go back to an 18 bet for a few and see what happens. There we go. That was a good hit. Maybe this one's going to do something for us tonight. Now let's bump back down to the 9 bet for a little bit. There's a red screen. Well, it's keeping us alive anyhow. Thank you, Gene. Another red screen. Another red screen. That's good. Keep it going. Another red screen. Come on.
Yeah, there's the electric wild.
Yeah, we're still rolling. There we go. Let's go back to a max bet again for a few. There we go. Up to 325, not too bad. I really like these electric wild machines when they're on. They pay pretty good. Another red screen of max bet. And another one. And one more. Oh, there we go. It's still going. Still going. Paid us $940.50 out of that one, up to $757. Pretty good hit on that one. All right, let's bump back down to the 9-bet for a few, because I'll probably get out of this around 700, probably, because that's pretty good for a $20 bill going in. Really can't beat that a bit. Let's go to a 5-bet for a couple. And let's do a 1-bet. All right, $20 invested. We're cashing it out for 700. Pretty darn good start if you ask me. We're gonna put 20 back in it and see if it's got some more money in there for us, because I like doing that. We'll start with a 5-bet. I always start kind of low, just see what it's gonna do. Let's go back to the 9 for a couple of spins. Yep, man, it gave me all it's given right now. All right, I'm gonna hop off here, see if I can't find another machine paying out. If I find a good one, I'll make sure I go live again.